Are you frustrated with that annoying LockStar bug on your Galaxy phone? Well, you're not alone, and today we're diving into the details about this issue and Samsung's plan to fix it. Let's get started. If you're using Samsung's Good Lock app to customize your Galaxy phone's lock screen, you might have noticed something strange. Specifically, the LockStar module seems to be acting up. Users are reporting that notification icons are overlapping with other widgets or UI elements on the lock screen. This problem isn't just a one-off glitch. It has been making rounds on Samsung's community forums with frustrated Galaxy S24 users voicing their concerns. It turns out the issue extends to the always-on display AOD mode as well. So why is this happening? It seems the root cause is tied to how the Galaxy S24's always-on display interacts with the lock screen. When you customize your lock screen using LockStar, those changes aren't saving properly. And since the AOD is closely linked to the lock screen, it's causing notification icons to behave unpredictably. In simple terms, the two systems aren't playing nicely together, and the result is a messy and frustrating user experience. Now, here's the good news. Samsung is aware of the problem. In fact, they've officially acknowledged it through their support channels and via users like at TarunVets33. But here's the catch. The fix isn't coming anytime soon. Samsung has announced that this bug will be resolved with the One UI 7.0 update. Yes, that's right, One UI 7.0. However, the beta version of One UI 7.0 hasn't even been released yet. Even when it does, it'll take a couple of months to stabilize and roll out to all Galaxy devices. So what does this mean for you? If you're a Galaxy S24 user dealing with this bug, you'll need to hang tight for at least a couple more months. Samsung will first release the beta version of One UI 7.0, iron out the kinks, and then push the stable version. And if you're using an older Galaxy phone, it might take even longer for you to get the update. Now, waiting for a fix isn't ideal, but here are a few tips to manage this bug until One UI 7.0 arrives. 1. Avoid heavy customizations with LockStar. The more you tweak your lock screen, the more likely you are to encounter overlapping notification icons. 2. Revert to default lock screen settings. If the bug is driving you crazy, sticking to Samsung's default lock screen design might be the simplest solution for now. 3. Check for interim updates. Samsung might release minor updates addressing specific bugs. Keep an eye on your software update notifications just in case. While it's frustrating to deal with bugs like this, it's reassuring to know that Samsung is actively working on a solution. The One UI 7.0 update promises to bring not only this bug fix, but likely other enhancements as well. If you're a Good Lock user, hang in there. The customization capabilities of this app are worth the wait, and will keep you updated on any developments regarding One UI 7.0. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more Galaxy tips, tricks, and updates. And let me know in the comments, are you experiencing this LockStar bug? Let's talk about it below. See you next time. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, This device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.